What's the meaning of AP? AP. AP. AP.
AP can have different meanings depending on the context, but one of its most common meanings is average precision, which is a measure commonly used in information retrieval to evaluate the effectiveness of search algorithms. It calculates the area under the precision recall curve and reflects how well a search algorithm retrieves relevant results among all the retrieved results. A higher AP score indicates better search performance. Overall, AP is a useful metric for evaluating the effectiveness of search algorithms in various applications, such as search engines or recommendation systems.